let's say that you're not able to articulate yourself like Tez and myself. You're not able to walk up to a girl, be in abundance, and let her know that your value is so high and so strong and so hard that you can say, it's my way or the highway. You're going to do what I tell you to do, or you're not. And if you're not going to listen to me, you can get the fuck out of here. And if you're going to listen to me, the future is going to be great for you. What happens is that you cuck yourself like a little bitch, right? And what happens is when you're becoming attractive to the woman and you're saying,